When you're in the market for a high-quality, low-maintenance timing belt, Optibelt's Material Handling division has a complete range of custom-made polyurethane belts for a wide variety of industries and applications. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Using a finger-joined polyurethane timing belt is a quick and cost-effective way to join timing belts to make the exact length required. Note that Optibelt's Alpha V timing belts are not designed to transmit power, as they have a break in the tension cord and are joined by plastic weld. However, if your timing belt does need to transmit power, Optibelt's Alpha Flex belts are extruded to be endless without a break in the tension cord. Optibelt offers a range of specialty backings that adhere to the base of the timing belt, allowing products to also be conveyed on the back. Optibelt also has a range of polyurethane cleats that can be adhered to the timing belt in order to separate and move products. And the company's online cleat selector program offers an easy-to-use selection process showing product specifications and with downloadable drawings. More information, just go to optibelt.com. And thank you for watching.